Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel, clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon you notify when we publish the new video. Home remedies are very effective for relieving pressure and associated with ear infections. If the infection is mild, then home remedies may be all that you need to treat the infection with. These are some of the remedies for ear infection that you can use it at home. You will need some onion, garlic and olive oil. Onions and garlic both have very good natural healing agents and can assist with killing bacteria. First, you need to cook the onion and garlic in some olive oil. Just cook over a low heat. When the ingredients have reduced, you then need to strain them, so you are just left with a liquid oil. Then pour this oil into a clean container. Then apply just a few drops of the onion garlic oil into the problem ear. This remedy is one of the best for ear infection and works really well. Another remedy from the kitchen, simply use some lemon juice. Just apply a few drops of undiluted lemon juice into the sore ear, and the acidity in the juice neutralized and kill the bacteria. This is also a very effective remedy for ear infections. White vinegar is another remedy straight from the kitchen that work well. You will need a mixture of 50% white vinegar and 50% water. Apply 4 or 5 drops into the infected ear a few times a day and you will soon see results. Hydrogen peroxide is our next remedy, which is often used on a grazed kidney to kill any germs that might occur. Although this is a common use for hydrogen peroxide, but most people don't realize that you can also use it for ear infection. Because this has bubbled, it not only kills germs but it also loosens any blockage and helps clear the ear. Using a warm compress against the sore ear can help ease the pain. The remedies mentioned in this video are ones that have been used for years and have proven to be quite effective. If the pain persists, to consult your doctor. If you like the video, give it thumbs up and subscribe the channel for new tips.